I'm really up here feeling icy. 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 First thing we're gonna do is prime our face, and I'm gonna go in with the Too Faced Hangover Primer, and I'm just going to go in with my Neutrogena setting powder, and I'm going to set my eyes. So first we're going to start off with a light color in our crease. I'm going to go in with the color Elemental in the Urban Decay Elements palette. This is the color right here. I'm just going to use that same fluffy brush that I applied my setting powder with, and I'm just going to go in my crease. And I'm going to keep that color in my crease as much as possible. We don't want to bring that down. And to brighten that up, we're going to go in with the color Jamila from our Juvia's Place palette, the Saharan palette. It's just this really pretty orange color. But I'm going to lower it just a little to make that. We want to darken this crease up a little bit. I'm going to go back in with my Urban Decay Elements palette. It's this pretty bronzy brown color right here. And we're going to make that a little bit lower in my crease. Remember, less is more, so you do want to be careful about how you bring that into the eyeshadow look. And now it's time to cut our crease. I'm going to be using the Rimmel London Stay Matte Concealer and my Tom Ford detailed brush. And I'm quickly going to set my crease because I hate for it to transfer up my eyes. So I'm going to go in with the color Antidote from the Elements palette. This really pretty soft nude right here. And I'm quickly going to do that to the other eye. I'm going to go in with the color Zoya from the Juvia's Place palette. And that's just this really pretty iridescent pink. I'm going to take that same color and I'm going to put that right underneath my brow bone. Next, I want to zoom out so we can do the rest of our face. Okay guys, next we're going to go in with our foundation. I'm going to be going with my Too Faced Born This Way foundation. And this is in the color Mahogany. And like I always tell y'all, this foundation goes a long way, so you do not have to apply a lot of it. Spray a little bit, and I'm using the NK Makeup Perfection setting spray. I feel like I switch up my setting sprays every week, but It's not that I switch up. If I run out of setting spray, whatever store I'm in, and I think about it, I just buy like any pretty much setting spray. Now I'm gonna go in with my Rimmel London concealer. I'm going to spray a little bit of my setting spray just to make the blending easier. And then I'm going to take my beauty blender. I'm going to blend it out. Alright, now I'm just going to spray my face. Now it's time to contour our face. I'm going to go in with my strobing and shading palette. Time to bake. I'm gonna go in with my Neutrogena translucent powder. Now we're gonna blend this out. Add my nose contour real quick. I'm just going to spray my face. And now I'm going to add my eyelashes real quickly before we go into our next step. I'm using the 40 Grace Lashes in the number M105. This is what they look like. Right now we're going to go in with our Fetish by Kat Von D blush and highlight palette. I'm using the color Magic, and that's this pretty color right here. I'm going to go in with my detailed Tom Ford brush and I'm going to line my lips with the black color Chad from the Saharan palette. And I'm just going to go in with this really pretty pink lip gloss. And this is in the color Too Cute by Maybelline. And this is their Vivid Hot Liqueur lip glosses. I love these. I'm going to go in with my Maybelline Total Temptation mascara just to blend my eyelashes and the falsies. And we cannot forget the most important part, you guys, to this look that she did is the orange do-rag. I'm going to take the do-rag. Oh. This, tie it in the front, and then tie it one time in the back. And that's it for this look, you guys.